Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I am coming to you guys with another headband wig. Headband wig number 2. So this seller on Amazon sent me this body wave headband wig. I'm gonna leave all information about this wig, where to find it, down in the description if you are interested at the end of this video. So in the package it came with a cool mesh weaving cap. I like these caps. Love them, love them, love them. And also 2 headband. Ooh, yes. See? Look how thick this is. As you guys saw in my last headband wig video, the straight hair, I had to use another headband because it wasn't as thick as this one and broad. Like, these are pretty. And this one, I'm gonna try both of them. Alright, so this is the wig. And as you can see, it's body wave. It's so flowy. Wow. Listen, cheap wig for the low. And it's thick. You can tell it has a lot of body. I like that. So as you guys can see, I still have my plaits from my last upload, so I'm just gonna slip this back and put my cap over it. So what I did was I unraveled 3 of my plaits on each side, just so it doesn't show, because you know it's a headband wig, it's gonna come here. Anyways, I'm gonna use a little bit of my gel. It's the black castor and flaxseed oil gel that I put in this small container. So I'm going to use some of that and slick the hair back a bit. So now I'm gonna put my cap on. By the way guys, this is synthetic wig. I like that it's not too shiny. You know how some synthetic wigs are really shiny? I like how this is not that like shiny where it's obvious that it's a synthetic wig. But it has 4 combs. 1 at the top where the headband is at the top, 1 in the back, and 2 at each side. So let's clip those combs in. I'm gonna push the comb under the cap like this. Same thing for the back. And the sides. So now I'm gonna pin this up so I can close the headband easy and make sure it's secure. So the headband has the velcro on it, so I'm gonna close the velcro in the back, and there you go. So before I put my hair down, I'm gonna put the headband over. I have my headband ready. Then I pull the hair down. Woo! Whoa! Who this? Who's this? I think I want to do like a like a body at it over here, like forehead. Before I fix the hair, let me fix my edges. I love it. It's just so flowy and pretty. For a cheap wig, stiff wear. So let me fix the headband to see what it looks like. Right. Can I comb this out? Oh yeah. Ooh. No shedding. Alright. This wig doing its thing. Like, whoa. Talk about bounce back. Bounce back. Period, poo. And the cute part about it, it's layered. I'm gonna play around with it to see how I can have it fall in. Do you see that? Like, it's so like bouncy and cute. Who is this? Look at this. I just need like the fan to be blowing on me now. My hair be like, I'm only acting like this because it's a cheap wig, right? And it's doing all of this. So headband wigs are my new favorite because 2 minutes, you throw it on and you take it off, and it looks so natural. You can do your little edges and, you know, just wear it either way. Like, it's just a cute wig to wear out, like something quick, something easy. It's giving me rich auntie vibes right now. If I could do like a full face with some lashes. These days I'm lazy with the makeup, plus I'm breaking out, so I'ma just leave out the makeup for now until like my birthday month, July. Yeah, so for now, this is what we're working with, girls. Girls! Stiff wear. Alright, don't know. And it's long too. Let me show y'all. It's a good length, like, see, it's full. Look at it. Like, if you just play with it, it can get bigger and like have more body, you know. But then, you see, rich auntie, rich auntie. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Maybe I'm just over exaggerate as usual. Y'all know me, always doing the most. But anyways, this is it. It's just a quick, easy look, just to show you guys, update you guys. And like I said, it came with 2 headbands, can't beat that. And the hair just going with itself. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this little cheap wig. It's a GWAAN with itself. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the support and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.